Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you this 2020 Heritage Glen 283 RK. So this is the LTZ package. This is going to be their top of the line. One of the things you're going to get with the LTZ package is a full front cap. So on this cap, it's going to wrap all the way around so your seals are on the other side. That's what takes the most abuse when you're going down the road. It's going to have the upgraded power front tongue jack, bigger propane tanks. As we come around to this side, you're going to see you're going to have a big full pass-through storage. Everything's on a magnet. Your Furrion solar chargers right there. You can have a little 20 amp sitting next to it that'll trickle charge your batteries. And then you have power stabilizer jacks here as well. It makes it really easy so you're not down there hand cranking them down. Here we'll have the Lippert solid steps. So this is one of the hottest things in the market right now. We'll come back to this when we come inside, but I do want to show you this outside kitchen. So you'll see that the power awning stretches all the way over the outside kitchen. So if you do run into any weather, you're still going to have space. So a big fridge, sink, and then you have an LP fitting right down there where you can have a barbecue, a couple plug-ins as well. So coming back around this way, we'll go up these nice solid steps. Here we're going to have our buttons for our slide out, power awning, check our batteries, fresh water, black water, and gray water. Here are our control for the air on. And then we'll have the TV, Fireplace. It's actually going to put out heat when you're plugged into electricity. Your Jensen DVD, CD player. And then you'll notice we have storage underneath. So here's your fold-out sofa in the slide-out. And then your booth dinette. Now something Heritage Glen's done really nice is they have these blackout shades. So it really gets you some privacy when you really want it. So big rear kitchen. Here's going to be your pantry space. Big Dometic freezer and fridge. As we come around here, you'll see we have our 3-burner stove and the oven with the Furrion microwave above. Lots of prep area. So as you're cooking, you're going to have a lot of places where you can put things. And then storage above. And then the big farm sink with your new drying rack. As you can see, we have quite a few drawers and then storage underneath the sink as well. And there is storage under the booth dinette. Couple of chairs right here so you can relax, sit down, watch TV, look out the windows. Pretty much has full-length windows all the way through the coach. It is going to have an arched ceiling, so it gives you the a little bit more headroom, and the skylights really kind of open it up as well. So coming back over here, we're going to have our big shower. I'll let you hop in there. And then as you come into the bedroom, you'll see we have our RV Queen with USB and plug-ins on both sides, and then room for wardrobe and then storage up above. But what I really like when we run into problems with where we're going to put things, this unit's got a big closet back here. So you can hang coats, shirts, and then we have our second AC unit so it keeps the bedroom nice and cool. TV will go right back up here. Hey, we're really excited to have the Heritage Glen product, one of my favorite products. If you have any questions on this 2020 rear kitchen, give me a call. Brandon Reagan, 541-214-0223. Thank you and have a great day.